Hey guys, how are you all guys doing? I welcome you all to my another study vlog, and this is right 1 p.m. of the afternoon, and I am studying this vlog very late because you guys are seeing my unfiltered life today, means my life that is behind the camera. So yeah, I am just going to make you see that life today, and as you are here, I want to make you see something. I don't know what is the reason that these what do we say, these shawls और रजाइयाँ, मतलब कि ये देखो, ये हैंगी सर्दी की रजाइयाँ, सो ये बाहर के कर रही है, मेरे को तो ये नहीं पता। और सेकेंडली अगर मैं तुमको टाइम दिखाऊं तो देखो 1:30 बज चुके हैं, और इस समय देखो सबका आराम करने का टाइम हो जाता है दोपहर का। बट जैसा कि तुमने मेरे कमरे की हालत देखी होगी, डेट्स वेरी मैसी। सो या इस कमरे में मेरे को देखो ऐसी मज़ा आता है थोड़ी बहुत, मतलब कि अपनी थोड़ी सी गंदगी मचा के रहने में। सो तुम समझ गए होगे, बट अभी मेरे को ही करना पड़ेगा साफ़, क्योंकि अभी पापा के आने का वक्त तो जाएगा थोड़ी देर में, और फिर मेरे को डांटना पड़ेगा। वैसे मैं इसको साफ़ कर दूंगा अभी, लेकिन अभी तो थोड़ी देर पहले ऐसे करते हैं, पढ़ लेते हैं। सो आई वॉज जस्ट डूइंग माई 3D geometry, because this is the chapter from which the most of the questions, means like 15 to 20 questions come in the NDA exam. That's why I am preparing it well, and I have just prepared 11 and a half hours video. So I think that the most of the questions must have been covered in that video. So yeah, I had made you show the teacher from whom I study. So yeah, you must be guessing that why I am not at my coaching and studying at home. So yeah, just wanted to tell you one thing, that if you are just going coaching and not doing self practice, so you will be not doing good in your exams, and this is what the teachers had said there. So yeah, I am at my home and doing self study, and at this time I had just completed my complete chapter of maths. I am doing maths this much because my maths part is very weak, and rest for the GAT I'll be doing it great, I think so, because my GAT is a little bit strong. So yeah, I have just completed my one chapter, and after this I am just feeling like an overpowered man, because the 3D geometry field has just came out from me, and now I think that I can do any question from this chapter which comes in front of me. So yeah, I think that I'll be attempting most of the questions like 10 out of 10. So yeah, if you also want to have like confidence like this, so you must do self practice. That's one thing I have just suggested you. And after this I am going to do 2D geometry, and after that circles. So our almost 20 questions type chapters will be completed after completing circles. So yeah, let's start 2D geometry, and after that I'll be practicing a little bit GAT, means the geography part, because I had not known that the geography comes for 80 marks. So yeah, that's a very much big deal for us, because 80 plus 200 is 280. So if I'll be scoring 200 in English and 80 in geography, then my score would go let's say about 250. So yeah, 250 marks are in our hands. So I just wanted to tell you guys that if you are not practicing synonym, homonyms, acronyms, bionyms, तो what are समझ गए होगे क्या क्या मैटर बता रहा हूँ। सो अगर इन सब की प्रैक्टिस करे बिना इस होप से जाते हो कि नंबर आ जाएंगे, सो मैं उनको बता रहा हूँ जो कि कोच अपनी कोचिंग नहीं करते हैंगे। सो जस्ट एक टिप दे रहा हूँ कि ये सब चीज़ें जो है एक बार सिलेबस देख लो, जेमिनी पे सर्च करके। होमोनिम्स, पैरोनिम्स, बहुत सारी चीज़ें आती हैं, वर्ड मीनिंग्स, वन वर्ड सब्सटीट्यूशन, एक वो भी आता है जो CUET के एग्ज़ाम में आ रहे थे, वो सारे क्वेश्चन आते हैं। सो एक बार जस्ट सर्च करके देख लो, and just get the syllabus for GAT, and after that practice according to that, because I am just telling you this because I had just got a tip that instead of studying various things, just study that which is coming in the exam. So I am just offering you this. So just because instead of studying various materials, just study what is coming in the exam. So with this idea, let's do the second chapter to the geometry, and after that I'll be completing GAT. So and just have a look at my screen time right now. Means I am just going at my peak, means 9 hours 41 minutes, almost 10 hours a day. So yeah, I am using my phone this much these days, because if you will show the time which the apps are taking, you must be seeing the YouTube at top. Means I am using the YouTube a lot, means I just see the shorts, and after that rest of the time takes up with the GAT video or any other maths video or any other video of the SSB or any interview, SSB interview, or anything which I see that takes up the time. So yeah, I just wanted to say one thing, that I am just letting the motivation string just inject into me, because आर्मी में तो देखो जोश चलता ही रहेगा। और इस होप से मतलब कि अगर एक चीज़ मेरे को याद आई कि अगर मतलब आर्मी और में गाने सुन लिए भाई, एकदम जोश में भर गए, और उसके बाद फिर पढ़ाई नहीं करी तो सिलेक्शन कैसे होगा। सो ये वाली चीज़ बात मेरे को याद आई भाई, ये क्लास में बोली गई थी। सो अभी जस्ट मेरे को ये बात याद आ गई है बोलते बोलते कि भाई पूरे मतलब मोटिवेशन तो इंजेक्ट कर लिया अपने शरीर के अंदर, पूरा जोश में होगा, और पढ़ाई तो करी नहीं, सिलेक्शन कहाँ से होगा, कहीं से नहीं। सो मैं बस यही बोलने वाला था कि अपनी प्रोक्रास्टिनेशन के टाइम को जो है थोड़ा बहुत कम कर लो, बिकॉज द प्रोक्रास्टिनेशन इज नॉट गेटिंग यू द सिलेक्शन। the thing which is going to get you the selection is that what you do in your notebooks and how much you get this pen rub on your pages. So yeah, that's what I was just saying. So instead of using the mobile phones for reels or any other thing, because most of the students these days are playing games. So you must have so that I do not play games because my mobile does not support that. So that's the reason. And also there is one thing that I like the games, but I usually play the YouTube playables. So I just wanted to remove them because that take a lot of time. So तुम देख रहे होगे मैंने लेवल कितना ज़्यादा पहुँचा रखा है, मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा कर रखा है सब पे। सो मतलब गेम की आदत काफ़ी बुरी होती है कि यार। सो मैं बस एक चीज़ सोच रहा था कि ऐसे अपना चल रहेगा, पता नहीं कैसे सिलेक्शन होगा एसएसबी में, और अगर अब की बार में नहीं हुआ तो फिर आगे क्या होगा। मतलब कि इस बात की चिंता तो बहुत ज़्यादा ही है कि यार इस वक्त, और शायद से तुमको भी होगा। सो ये होता हैगा स्ट्रेस। सो भाई थोड़ा बहुत स्ट्रेस तो ज़रूरी भी होता है वैसे, छोड़ो चलो पढ़ लो यार।